Morning, fam. Welcome to the Chapter 21 Multiple Choice Quiz. So, as always, listen and read along with me as I read through the quiz. Use your strategies to eliminate incorrect answers that you're sure of to just reduce the number of choices. So, here we go. Oh, don't forget to pause in between questions as you contemplate your answer. Here we go. Question 1. Theodore Roosevelt believed the United States should work patiently and quietly with other countries, but use force if necessary. This approach is known as A. Dollar diplomacy, B. Big stick policy, or C. Moral diplomacy. Question 2. Roosevelt's belief that the United States should act as a police power in the Western Hemisphere and protect American interests is called A. The Roosevelt Corollary, B. Nosy neighbor diplomacy, or C. Big brother policy. Question 3. What aspect of foreign policy did William Howard Taft focus on during his presidency? A. Economic, B. Cultural, or C. Ethical? Number 4. President Woodrow Wilson's foreign policy focused on A. Encouraging U.S. trade and investment in Latin America and Asia, B. Using warfare to conquer most of the land in Latin America and Asia, or C. Taking a moral approach by promoting democratic ideals in other countries. Number 5. Wilson's idea that other people had the right to determine their own government free from outside influence was called A. Self-determination, B. Socialism, C. Communism. Number 6. Examine the flowchart of events in Hawaiian history below. Which of the following events belongs in the box with a question mark? And these are the boxes. American planters settle in Hawaii. Queen Liliuokalani gains power. Blank box. Hawaii applies for annexation. Congress approves annexation. Hawaii becomes a state. So which of the following events in the box belongs in the box with a question mark? Is it A. U.S. forces help overthrow Queen Liliuokalani? B. Queen Liliuokalani agrees to make Hawaii a republic? Or C. Queen Liliuokalani petitions the U.S. government for protectorate status? Question 7. In 1899, the United States urged other nations to allow free trade in China. This approach to dealing with China was known as the A. Monroe Doctrine, B. Open Door Policy, or C. Teller Amendment. Number 8. Why did the United States support Panama's rebellion against Colombia? A. To protect American farmers in Panama, B. To annex Panama as a U.S. territory, or C. To build a U.S.-owned canal across Panama. Number 9. What is the current status of the island of Puerto Rico? A. It is a U.S. state, B. It is a U.S. Commonwealth, or C. It is an independent ally of the United States. And number 10. What provoked war between the United States and the Philippines in 1899? A. The Philippines attempted to become allies with France and England to fight against the United States. B. The United States refused to export their goods to the Philippines to weaken the Filipinos' economy. Or C. The United States would not grant the Philippines independence after the Spanish-American War. All right, that's it, fam. Thanks for listening, and turn that in to me when you're done.